What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm back with another product review. Well, shout out to Second Gen Prelude Parts off Instagram for going to the yard and pulling me this third gen Accord pedal mechanism. Mine is broke in this area that holds the clutch cable, so I'm very grateful for him pulling this part for me. And we have our Cheddas Auto pedal bushings. I haven't seen anybody install these yet, but we're gonna install these on our things and take out all this left-right slack. So yeah, and I'm gonna cut this off because I don't use cruise control. So stay tuned, everybody. We removed the tension spring and you can see the play in the bushing. So we can get these old ones out, new ones in. Alright, we unbolted the first bolt. Here's our first pedal. Slide our center tube out. Pull our old split bushings out of there. And we'll press our new ones in the vise. Alright, they're a snug fit. I just pressed them in with my fingers. Nice snug fit. But we'll take this other pedal off and do the same thing and reassemble it. Alright, we pulled our bolt the rest of the way out, and we wiggled our second pedal out. And we'll remove our old bushings and slide our new ones in. Alright, there we go. There's our second one in. Now we're just going to reassemble it. There we go. All back reassembled and took out all the slop on it. So yeah. One day I'll get to install these. There's our old, they're like a split style bushing, but they're wore out. So yeah, we took all the slack out of that. Can't wait to get this in. More updates. Maybe we'll do some Honda Civic stuff. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.